Welcome to the homemaking and gardening channel. Today we are going to showcase our TG blue orchid that has bloomed recently. The TG blue is of Dendrobium variety of orchids and a hybrid, and hence they are very easy to grow. It has big blue colored blooms with white borders and white lips. It releases a beautiful smell, but only in the afternoons. It loves water, but you can wait for the next watering till the medium dries up a bit. It loves indirect sunlight. The blooms are long lasting and they are indeed big and beautiful to look at. It's a beginner's orchid. It's easy to grow and is a hybrid. Let's check the beauty of it and adore it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye.